dark. It goes from real bright and jumpy and dancey to a little dark. And this was actually the first song that I ever wrote. And this is about the third iteration of it. And this is the best one because these guys were in on it. These guys were in on, we've got such a fun songwriting little assembly line that we've got that we use to put all these songs together, and it's just magic. We're having such a good time. So this is a great tune. This is a little tune called Kickin' Holes in Heaven, and it's about the power of words. I think we get wound up, and especially as musicians, like we tend to be wordy people. We tend to be emotional people, and sometimes things can get carried away. And we say things we don't mean, and we actually do damage to things that really matter to us. We kind of kick holes in our own heaven when we do that. And that's what this song is about.
Stop.
You're firing those cannons at everyone near. You tear down the pressures that create what you feel. How long did it take them to build what you burn? For so much treasure, your father's least burden. Yeah, you're kicking holes in heaven with your petty little words. Well, you tell people open and stream them for bleeding, but you're gonna get sick from the poison your feet on. But you ain't fooling everyone, cause somebody knows what comes out your mouth is just what's in your soul. Yeah, you're kicking holes in heaven with your petty little words. Oh, you cry, get high, you black and hearts. You think you put size out flawless eyes, but there's a crack in the paint on your whitewash too. Just open your mouth, child, and we see you. You wield your tongue like a knife, boy. You better use it spare. You're gonna have to tame that deadly snare. Words create on the hand, build up the soul. Now used to tear around the fiery hole. Yeah, you're kicking holes in heaven with your petty little words. Oh, your quarrels get high, your black and the heart. You think you size out flawless art, but there's a crack in the paint on your whitewash too. Just open your mouth, child, and we see you. We see your child.